So more than 50% of the companies, both mid-size as well as small-size businesses, are not using CRM at all. Now, this is a big information that I'm giving you. Not using CRM for a business is really fatal for your business growth and scalability. And the reason for that is not always the cost. There are multiple reasons for why these companies do not want to use CRM or a business automation system. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about these systems. Let's start. So to start with, the reason for these small businesses or mid-sized businesses not using a CRM is not always the cost. The reasons start with the fear of learning curve. That is a very important reason. Companies do not want to spend time learning new technologies. They're happy with how things are going on. But in this process, what they do is they kind of obstruct their scalability, the growth of their company. This is really very big problem. Reason number two is that they think that it's going to be very complex to implement a CRM or any kind of business automation system. This also is not true. You can actually start very small. You can go to any system. Don't go for maybe a big system like Salesforce or something like that. Go for a tool like maybe Zoho or maybe HubSpot, which offer you starter packages. They can offer you the pro packages, and then they offer you the enterprise packages. Now, this actually helps a lot, because when you get the starter package, or maybe if you get something which is also a free version, you can start seeing if the system is really complex for you. You'll have to take a time out to do this kind of research if you really want to grow your business. Growing the business is the main reason why you are in business in the first place, and the tools that you are using right now might not help you in that way, the way the CRM can do. So implementing the CRM is very important, and do not fear the learning curve or the complexity. Number 3, you try to do things by yourself. Now, you are not an expert. You are not supposed to be doing this. At certain scale, at certain level, it is okay when you are trying to just understand how the system is going to be beneficial for you. But you'll have to bring someone who can actually help you. There are multiple sources available, like you can go to Upwork, you can go to Fiverr, you can go to many other such platforms that will give you people who can actually help you start very small in understanding if the system is helpful. So basically what I'm trying to say is hire a consultant who can actually, first of all, before implementation, can understand your business, can give you a strategy of implementation, and can then help you start. So number 1 reason was learning curve, number 2 is complexity, and number 3 is getting someone to help. Now number 4 reason is cost. Again, you don't have to fear the cost at all, because the cost can vary. If you're a small business and you're low on budget, don't worry about that. You can actually go ahead and start free. You can also negotiate with different kind of systems and ask them to give you the access of the entire system, maybe for a few days on trial basis. So this is how you can also take care of the costing part. So as you can see, out of all the reasons, you really don't have to fear start implementing the CRM in your company. As you can see, you really don't have to worry about implementing the CRM. You can start any day. So I would encourage you to start any day. Let's start now. See you in the next video.